Hello everyone, welcome back. Tonight I'm going to make another pour painting, and I was just thinking about what I would try today, and then I saw this thing. It's the lid from a snack tomato cup, and I thought maybe I could put this on, because I thought of using one of these so that I could do put it on here and then move it over the canvas, but I usually put way too much paint in there, and then I have to, and then I thought I'd use one of these, but this one's kind of dirty and I should have about 5 more, but of course now that I need them I can't find them. And then I saw this, so I thought maybe I can just put this in the middle and have the paint flow through these. Oh, there are 2 holes actually, I thought there were 4. But that's okay. 2 holes. I can turn it around, of course. So why not, right? Let's just try it. And I'm going to use some phthalo blue today and some manganese blue, which I hardly ever use, and I just thinned it a bit with water because it has been in this thing for a while and it's a bit thicker than the phthalo, but it's still a bit thicker, so I'm hoping that this will go okay. And that's why I decided to use this as a base color. I'm not gonna fill the whole canvas quite yet, but I thought if I use this as a base color, it will not run off immediately, and hopefully that'll... So I don't want a puddle in the middle. Not a large puddle anyway. And I've selected some colors to use. White, of course. This is phthalo turquoise, Prussian blue, some copper maybe. This is some metallic turquoise, which has paint on the underside. Fluorescent blue, silver, fluorescent green and yellow. Oh, and perhaps, oh yes, and some phthalo green, which I just mixed up in here. I'm not sure if I'll use it yet, but I have it right here if I need it. It's also still quite bubbly, so maybe I'll save it for tomorrow or another day. Closing this, and then we will start. Just to start it off, I'll pour some on the lid, and I guess it will drip off immediately. That's okay. I'm curious to see what this will do. Oh, that looks quite cool. I wonder if you can see what's going on. Maybe like this. You can see the side a bit. Let's add a bit of white right about now. See what happens. Woohoo! I really wonder if I like the end result, but we'll see. Oh. Risky. Or not. Who knows? Okay, how much paint is this? doesn't really work. I'll just put it here. Okay, well, I don't know about these colors together, but let's tilt it a bit and we'll see. I'm not a big fan of the combination yet, but maybe it'll turn out cool. There's not enough contrast in it for me, I think. See, I've already given up on it. Even though there are some cool combinations. I like the yellow with the turquoise. These two together are cool. In combination with the Prussian. Prussian is always a good idea. See, I'm not sure if I should have used... Did I use green? What's this? Huh? Oh, Or is that just the... I'm so confused. Which color is that? Or is it just something that mixed with the yellow and turned dark green? Probably phthalo then. I already forgot what I poured on top of the yellow. Okay, now we have a very, very, very thick layer of paint on here, which is not bad for a base of something else, but I don't like what I just did. I'm not gonna do that. Nope, nope, nope. I don't know what to do with this. Okay, let's see. Perhaps I'll just make a little cup with some cool colors and then see what happens. The white was too white. I'm just gonna flop this in. Don't know if that's smart, but we'll see. This phthalo blue is so blue that it's just seems like an insult to use other colors with it that are different, like green or something. Just doesn't seem like a good idea. Prussian though is always a good idea, and I'll put some silver in because I'm really digging silver at the moment, and that goes well. Oh, I'm also putting it all on the table. No, that's silly. That was most definitely not what I was trying to do. But oh well. You know, can you even see what I'm doing? And I put my camera in a different position than I'm used to, so there. Oh no, too much glare. Glare, glare, glare. I'll just put it over there. Well, anyway, I hope you can see what I'm doing. Let's put some of this phthalo turquoise in as well. And some copper. Dare I? And then some more phthalo blue. It's gonna be very blue. Blue, 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 blue. It's just phthalo blue is such an intense blue color. It's really, it's a lot. Okay, are you ready? I don't know if I am. Can you see what I'm doing here? This, okay. Okay, well, I know there is more than enough paint on the canvas right now. I do like some of these patterns. There's not enough. I think they would be better with more white, even, yes, though I said I wouldn't need a lot of white. White and silver, maybe. I'll torch it a bit to see what happens. All right, and then let's tilt this baby. I really like this bit and this in the middle here, so let's see if we can keep that. Oh, not all of it, but oh, now I'm keeping some of the copper, which is cool. So much paint on this tiny 29 by 29 canvas. Yeah, I'll have to tilt a bit more. But then this turns out pretty cool. Phthalo blue is such a fantastic color, isn't it? Wow. I like it. Okay, I'm not gonna touch this anymore. I hope it'll dry nicely. I'm just gonna have to put it under, in a box so that it dries slowly. Oh, sorry, it's my fingers cracking. They do that. These gloves have powder in them, which makes it feel really strange. But I'm glad I have them, and I've also been using them when going for groceries nowadays, so that I can avoid touching too many surfaces, even though that now they've started to disinfect the shopping carts at the local supermarket. But just makes it easier. I don't have to think about it too much, and I can just grab stuff and then take them off and throw them away when I'm done. Oh, look at all the white popping up under there. I wonder how much more of that will surface. Ooh, look at that. I'm glad it doesn't surface everywhere though. Okay. Well, what about it, huh? Pretty cool. Not all the sides have paint on them yet, so let's try and fix that before I put this away. I'll make another one because I prepared another one of these canvases and 2 more the same size, but they're not as thick, but also square. Ooh, I'm so curious to see how this will dry. It's really beautiful. See? Isn't that wonderful? You can't really see exactly, but this is pretty nice. Oh. Okay. Let's make some room in box number 1. Voila, and something over it to protect it, and another piece of cardboard that way. Okay, let's hope that's sufficient, and I'll be back with another video for the next one.